Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will see how to manage or schedule the social media content by using Social Planner feature of GoHighLevel. For that, we will simply go to Marketing. And here in Social Planner, you can see the Facebook page that we connected in our last video. So if you want to know how to connect any of your social media account in Social Planner, then you can first watch that video and then you can follow this next step of managing all of your content within one place, and that is GoHighLevel. And then here you can select your social accounts. Right now we have just connected this Facebook page within GoHighLevel. So it's showing us just one account. Let's say you have connected your Instagram, your LinkedIn, then that account will also be displayed here. So in that way, you can simply select that account and then schedule your post for that particular account. So you will be able to manage all of your social media accounts within the GoHighLevel Social Planner in this section, which will save a lot of your time. But right now we are just working with this page that we connected in our last video. Now it will ask you to add a new post. So we will simply click on Create New Post button. And then it will bring up the next page. Now we have to select the account for which we want to add our post. For that, we will simply click on this Select a Social Account option. And here we can select the accounts where we want to schedule our post. Now let's say we want to add the same post on our Facebook, on Instagram or YouTube. Then you will select all of your connected accounts here, and then this particular post will be added to all of your social media accounts at one time, and that will save a lot of your time and effort. But as we have just connected this page, so I will just select this one. Now here you can type in your content like this. And you can also add the emojis. Now here we can add this one. Perfect. Next we can add the image for our post. So I will just add an image to show you how you will add the image inside your post. So we will click on image option. And then we will click on upload file. And then we will select the file that we want to upload inside GoHighLevel. It may take a while, and once it's uploaded, you can select the image that you want to add in your post, and it will be automatically added to your post. Now we can also upload the videos for your social media platform. For that, you will simply click on this option, then you will upload the video inside GoHighLevel, and then you will select that video just like we did to add the image in our post. So it's super easy and super simple. You can also add the hashtags and you can tag your friends to increase the engagement. You can also add the location if you want. So it's totally up to you how you will use these options to publish your content on your social media accounts. Now, once you have made your post, then if you want to post it in the feed, then you can select the feed option. But suppose if you want to add the post in the reels, then you can simply select the reel option. Right now, I'm going with the post option. And after that, if you want to add the post right away, then select Post Now button. But I would recommend to schedule the post for your whole week or whole month, because this is what the social media planner is all about, right? It helps you to schedule the post for the whole week or for the whole month. So if you want to schedule it for another time, then you will simply select the schedule post. Then you can select the date, and then you can select the time for your post. And once you have selected the date and time, you will simply hit schedule post button. So now we have scheduled the post for our social media account. And once you have scheduled your post, you can go to this calendar button. And here you can look into all of your social media posts that you have scheduled for another time. It will include all the posts from Facebook, from Instagram, from Google My Business, or any other social media platform that you will connect inside GoHighLevel Social Planner. Now you know how you will manage all of your social media platforms within GoHighLevel. But if you have any queries about Social Planner or GoHighLevel, you may ask me in the comment section. For now, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.